One fundamental way to develop your Instagram skills as a talent acquisition and employer branding professional is to follow inspirational career influencers on Instagram. When you actively follow and analyze how they use Instagram as a career influencer and try out similar ways and manners, it becomes easier for you to build your own career influencer profile on Instagram. Here are a few great Instagram career influencers I picked for you to follow and learn from. Career stylist Evelina's profile is a really great example of somebody who has really picked their audience from people in their 20s and 30s who want to get noticed and hired fast. She's probably appealing to a lot of female audience with her fresh and pink and bubbly profile, and the way that she presents her content really wants you to dig into this and consume it. Very great example. Cultivated.culture, Austin is another great example. As you can see, he's also using email marketing and promoting his newsletter with more than 120,000 job seekers. That's so smart. And as you can see, his profile is the complete opposite to Evelina's profile. This is blue. This is more probably appealing to more the male or audience. But again, lots of content that you want to dig into. Work Lessons 101 with Sabrina. She is a career and strategy coach targeting and offering one-on-one career strategy coaching and resume interview preparation. Again, completely different kind of vibe here. If you love this, you're going to want to dig into it. Loads of content, loads of ideas and inspiration, what you could also do as a career influencer on Instagram. What would your career influencer profile be like? Start using your insight, experiences, and knowledge and overcome the many obstacles created by your employers or clients' unwillingness to invest in marketing to help you reach hiring success. Follow me for more tips and inspiration on branding, marketing, and communications for HR industry professionals.